Hello everyone, Jamie here, hope you are doing okay. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn normal apps into system apps, and I won't waste your time. You have to be rooted to do this. If you're not rooted, it will not work. So what you'll need to install is an app called Link to SD, as you can see there. So I did try some apps like Titanium Backup. It didn't seem to be able to do it for some reason when I tried it. So I tried this app and it worked perfectly. So we're going to go onto it. So we're going to go on to Link to SD. And as you can see, it's going to ask for a super user request. I'm going to grant it. And then you're going to find whatever app you want to turn into a system app. I downloaded this calculator app, so I'm just going to click on there. And can you see the three dots at the top right? I'm going to click on that. And can you see it says convert to system app, so I'm going to click on that now. Okay, so that took about 30 seconds to be able to convert that, and now it's asking me to reboot my device, so I'm just going to turn off my phone and turn it back on. Okay, so I've just rebooted my my phone. One way we can see if this is working, so if we go back to the Play Store where we downloaded the app originally, the one that we're trying to convert into a system app, you can see here the only option now says open instead of uninstall and open. So I've actually converted it into a system app, which is fantastic. I can do another quick test. I'm just going to go to the calculator there. I'm going to hold it down. And see, I don't have the option to uninstall anymore. If it was any other app, so I don't know, BBC Radio, see, we've got the option to uninstall, but now that's not available for my app that I've just converted. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you hated the video, subscribe. Okay, see you later.